In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a table on Monday.com. This process is overall straightforward, but it does require a few specific steps. I'll be guiding you through each of them, so let's dive in. First, you'll want to navigate to the board containing the table you wish to embed. This step is crucial because you need to be on the exact board that has the information you want to share. Make sure you're logged into your Monday.com account and have access to the board in question. Once you're on the right board, locate the main table section. It's typically right there in the center of your board's interface. Go ahead and click on Main Table. Here, you're essentially setting the table view that you'll be embedding. So take a moment to ensure all the information displayed is exactly what you want others to see. After confirming you're in the main table view, the next step is to click on Share View. This option is usually found at the top right of your screen. By clicking on it, you'll be preparing to get the necessary embed information to share. Now, you're ready to obtain the embed code. You should see an option that says Embed Code in the Share View menu. This code is a snippet of HTML that'll allow you to embed the table into other platforms. Click on this option to activate it. Once you've done that, you'll notice a copy button appear next to the embed code. Click this and the embed code will be saved to your clipboard, ready to be pasted anywhere you need. But we're not quite finished yet. To make sure you have the right link, navigate to the Get the Embed link for your table. This option might sound very similar to the previous step, but it ensures that you have the proper link format to use wherever you wish to embed the table. Lastly, it's time to paste the embed link. Go to the location where you want the table embedded, be it a website, a blog post, or any platform that supports HTML embedding. Right-click on your mouse or use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+V or CMD+V to paste the embed code. And that's it! You've successfully embedded your Monday.com table into your chosen platform. Remember, if any changes are made to the table on Monday.com, they will also automatically update wherever you have embedded the code. This keeps the information current and dynamic. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Embedding tables on Monday.com not only saves time, but also enhances collaboration and transparency by easily sharing critical information with team members or stakeholders outside of Monday.com. Don't hesitate to explore more features on Monday.com that can optimize your workflows. Thank you for watching.